Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to quickly customize fonts in Allegro. We can see that the PCB in the page has a lot of screen printing information. For example, these are the bit numbers of the components. At the same time, Silkscreen printing will also include. The screen also contains the version information of PCB and the drawing time of PCB, and some important annotations. So screen printing is one of the most important components of PCB. But later when we get or need to repair the circuit board, want to check some components or find faulty parts. At this time, whether the Silkscreen design is reasonable becomes a crucial factor. But because of the external size of each PCB and the number of components, including some layouts are different. So we have to set our fonts according to the actual situation to achieve our goals. So before sharing how to set fonts, first, let's look at some font information that has already been printed. We click Display to select element. Only check text in the Find panel on the right, because we now mainly look at the screen print information. Then we click on the corresponding Silkscreen print. A Show Element window will pop up. It displays the coordinates, numbers, and the width and spacing of the fonts. In addition to this operation, we can also click on this Show Element in the toolbar. This little eye icon or use the shortcut key F4. This allows you to directly view the relevant information about the screen print. Next, let's see how to set the font. First, we hit Setup, and then we hit Design Parameters. A Design Parameter Editor window will pop up. Click the ellipsis after Setup Text Sizes on the text page. The Text Setup window will pop up. The page will contain an Excel-like table. So each column here is a different piece of information. For example, the first column represents the number. The width and the height represent the width. Line space is the spacing of the Silkscreen lines. Photo width is the width of the Silkscreen line. Char space is the spacing of characters and name represents name. We can name the numbers according to our personal preference. The above are some general settings. We can also set different data according to the actual needs of our PCB. After setting it up, click OK and close the page. Next, we will introduce how to change the font in batches. First, we click on the Edit in the toolbar and select Change. Find only text on the right panel. Then switch to the Options panel. You can see that the Silkscreen top and text block options have been checked. Text block is font number. The input number is the corresponding number data. Set a data like 5. At this point we click on a screen line of the PCB. You can see that it will become the font size 5 we set. At this time, we randomly click on a Silkscreen print. We can see that as the typeface changes, new problems are created. The original Silkscreen print is on the bottom layer. Click to become the top layer. Do it again after restoring. If we tick this Silkscreen top off, then click on the Silkscreen print. At this point, the screen print only changed the font and is still on the original bottom layer. So the Silkscreen top option will change the layer. Usually we can check it off. This can change only the size of the screen print face without making other changes. Now we randomly click on the Silkscreen print. You can see that the corresponding font will change. Then how to change the screen print font in bulk? We can select the left mouse box for all the areas you want to change. Then the font of the selected area will change. At this point, we can make some adjustments according to the actual situation. Make Silkscreen printing clearer and more beautiful. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.